Hello, my lovely children. I'm Mrs. Ijoma. I'm here to take you on practical life. Topic: exercise on folding. Exercise on folding. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to understand the meaning of folding. 2. Do some exercise on folding of clothes, handkerchief, etc. What is folding? Folding is the act of bending something over on itself so that one part of it covers another. What is folding? Folding is the act of bending something over itself so that one part of it covers another. Examples of clothes you can fold are handkerchief, singlet, clothes. Examples of things you can fold are handkerchief, singlet, clothes or cardigans. Now let's go to the practical aspect of it. This is unfolded cardigan. This is unfolded cardigan. Now let's fold it. First of all, you bend the hand small like this, and bend it again, and bend it again. Make sure that the two edges are equal. Make sure that the two edges are equal. Now you can fold it to make it a smaller surface. Look at it. Do you see it? I hope I'm communicating. Let's go to the handkerchief. This is unfolded handkerchief. Now, first of all, you bend it to make it a smaller surface. Make sure that the two edges are equal. You bend it again to be smaller. It can be easy to carry and keep for one place. Do you see it? Now it can even enter your purse, your pocket, etc. Do you see the big handkerchief? Now it's small. It can easily enter your pocket, your purse, your bag. Can carry it from one place to another. It's not good to carry it like this. Be moving up and down. It's not good. It's not proper. Remember to go to the class dojo for your homework. Bye bye.